What should you know about sales tax if you are a pet service provider? Different states have different laws on pet grooming and bathing. For Texas, taxable grooming services include bathing, hair trimming, brushing, nail trimming and grinding, ear cleaning, and teeth cleaning. There are 2 instances where animal grooming is not taxable. If the animal being groomed is a work animal, for example a service animal, or if the grooming is medically necessary and performed as part of veterinary services, then these services are not taxable. Contrast that to the state of Tennessee, where only pet bathing services are taxable. Pet grooming, brush out, and nail care are all non-taxable. However, to protect yourself in a sales tax audit, you need to set up your invoices correctly. Make sure to have separate charges listed for your services. Assume that the total amount due for a particular service is $100. If pet bathing was only $10 and the local sales tax rate is 9%, then you only charge 9% on the $10 for sales tax, which is 90 cents. However, for the same services provided, where you list one line item called bathing, grooming, and care for $100, then you need to charge the 9% local tax rate to the entire invoice, which would be $9 on a $100 invoice. Just by setting up your invoices differently, you can incur much less sales tax. We had a client that was undergoing a sales tax audit who only had a ledger showing what kind of services he provided. He called this full groom services listed on the ledger, so he thought it was non-taxable. However, the auditor went to his company website and found that the descriptions of the full groom service having bathing listed in there and assessed thousands of dollars of sales tax for our client. Give us a call at 888-577-1482 to discuss your sales tax audit and to check the laws in your particular state. Thank you.